Earlier today, we got a report of a multiple car pileup on the interstate, right at around Lincoln Way or 13th Street exit in Ames. And during the course of the accident, which we think involved probably between 50 and 70 vehicles, one of the sheriff's office deputies was also struck in the vehicle. He's doing okay, but his vehicle is going to be totaled. Accidents on both sides. The more severe on the southbound side, that's where a majority of the vehicles that were in the accident ended up. But yeah, we also had to shut down the northbound, and part of that was because that allowed us to be able to get emergency personnel where they needed to get to the people who were hurt in the accident, and also just so we could get it cleaned up. Yeah, so in my 26 years as a law enforcement officer, I've never seen anything like this. With the weather conditions the way they were, whiteout, the roads becoming very slick, and just probably excessive speed. All those things combined, we ended up with an accident that just totaled a lot of cars. Unfortunately, we think there's going to be one fatality from this, and possibly 3 to 5 fairly serious injuries. And so once we got those people moved along, then we did the best we could to just get the carnage off the roadway. We're doing the best we can to get the roadway open back up so we can get flow of traffic going so we don't have any further accidents. I'm very saddened by the situation, obviously, when somebody loses their life, and we would just ask that people in these types of situations just please slow down. You know, the weather obviously in Iowa can be difficult to drive in, but when it's this difficult out, we just ask people to slow down so we can help avoid these.